Hey, Stephanie Joseph here, coming to you every Monday with a tip to connect. These tips are geared around connection with ourselves first, so that we're able to create those relationships with others that we're so looking for. And today's tip is going to be on meditation, and we're just going to keep it super simple. A friend of mine, a good friend of mine that is a great meditator, he shared this with me, and meditation is simply the act of listening. So whether you meditate, whether you pray, whatever it is you ask, right? Usually it's typically an ask in a prayer. And the meditation is the part of listening. And that's the part that we skip oftentimes. So when you're in your moment, whatever your spiritual practice is, and you are in that moment of asking, the meditation part of it is simply just receiving, being quiet, being still, and listening for the answer. So for more tips like this, head on over to my Facebook page, Stephanie.